Morning students, welcome. Now you have entered 9th standard. Uh, we are starting online classes as yesterday I have told you. I have opened my YouTube channel, which I will share you on your group. You have to open and you should watch that videos. Anytime you can watch. Now, starting from the subject algebra. First chapter is sets. In that, set means group of atoms. Here see collection of objects are called as sets. Second thing, collection means what? Now information is there. Information is there. That information or data, collection of data is called as set. Why is it so? Why sets are needed? Suppose you want information of the students in our school. Total 300 students are there. If you want their information, then you have to write on the book or on the page, and it will be so much lengthy. So that the set of classes are there in our school. Set of classes means what? First standard, second standard, third standard, LKG, UKG, in this way. So that it will make you easy. Now in that also, in one class, total 80 students are there. Boys and girls, total combined. Now again it will be somewhat tough to get the information of each and every student of that class of 80 students. So again, two classes will be there, or two sets will be there, sets of boys and sets of girls. Now we will consider a set of boys now. It will be somewhat easy to you to write the information. In that also, their weights, common weights, you can say, their heights, their ages, in this way. So sets are important so that it can make you or it can give you information that is in easy form. Now here see some examples they have given of the sets. Days of a week, total 7 days are there in a week. Months in a year, total 12 months. So it will be easy to you. Now here definition is given to you in on textbook on page number 2. You have to write in your notebook. If we can definitely and clearly decide the objects of a given collection, then that collection is called a set. Definitely and clearly, what it means? Means clearly you can say, now set of boys. Clearly you know in your class how many boys are there. This is a set of girls. Clearly you know how many girls are there in your class. Now some examples are there where we can't say it is a set of or it is a set. Now what are they? I will tell you. In your school, you can say tall trees. How you can measure the tall tree? You can't say it, definitely. Okay. Again, some examples are there in your textbook. Whether it is a set or not, I will describe that. 1 minute. Or you can say again in your school set of or number of students who are clever. How you can measure they are clever or not? You can't say definitely, is it? So if it is definite and clear, then you can say that is the collection of or that collection of objects is called as set. Now here see some examples are given. Natural numbers. That if it is a set, it is always enclosed in curly bracket. This is the primary one. Now in this natural numbers 1, 2, 3, these are the set of natural numbers and dot dot dot. Why dot 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 means you know very well. It is infinite. Then W it denotes for whole numbers. Starts from 0 and then natural numbers are there. I set of integers, negative numbers, positive numbers and including 0. Q for rational numbers, R for real numbers. So in this way, today we have studied of introduction of sets. Tomorrow I will tell you about listing method and rule method. in detail. That too in the starting, listing method or roster method. Some information I will give to you. Now see methods of writing sets. In that first it is given as a listing method. Listing method means what? Which you can write in list form. Now suppose in 6 subjects you got some marks, 6 like out of 20. In one subject you got 15, second you got 17, in third you got 16, in fourth subject you got 20, in fifth subject you got 10, in sixth subject you got 19. Now you can make or you can prepare a list which is enclosed in curly bracket. Their methods are given here. See, I will tell to you. These all the numbers which you are writing in list form, they are called as elements. It is not necessarily only numbers should be there. Alphabets are also there. Names are also there. Objects are also there. Which you can make the list. These are called as elements, which is enclosed by curly bracket. So all the elements of the set is in curly bracket. Now each element which are making the list is separated by comma, and it is given once. Second thing, order is not important. Order means now in our school when you are preparing the result, then order will be there, like English first, then Hindi, then Marathi. But in the sets, this order is not needed. First you can write of history also. Second marks of geography. Then you can write any subjects. So order is not important. Now suppose the numbers are there like 1, 2, 3, 4. This is in the set. You can write in this form also 4, 2, 1, 3. So orders are not important. Now all the elements are needed. One thing is important here. Elements should not be repeated. Okay. Now here see, if an element comes more than once, then it is customary to write that element only once. Like the example is given to you that remember. In this, R is 2 times, E is 2 times, M is 2 times, E is 3 times in this way. Means R, M, E are repeated. So there is no need to repeat or write the elements which are repeating. You can write it once. So it is given in this way: R, E, M, B. Now proper method is what? I will tell you again one time. This listing method should be denoted or assigned to an alphabet, that to be capital. The name of this set that is written in alphabet, that should be capital. Like example is given to you, A in this way. Then afterwards these all elements should be enclosed in curly bracket. Between any two elements, comma should be there. Next, if elements are repeated, you should not write how many times it is repeating. Only one time you can write. Okay. Next is rule method. Now, why rule method? So listing method or roster method has some drawbacks. Which drawbacks it has? Now here in your school, again 300 students are there, and somebody told you to make the list of these 300 students. Then how much you will start to give the name of that alphabet, give the name of that set as suppose A is equal to curly bracket, and you are starting from the small students now. Total 300 students or 300 elements will be there in your set, and it will be too lengthy. So this is the drawback. To overcome this, rule method is used. Rule method or set builder form. This information of rule method or set builder form I will tell you tomorrow. Today what you have to do is you have to write the set of natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, and real numbers in a proper way. So this is the homework for you. So good day.